Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Hulu app on your Sony TV. Whether you're into movies, TV shows, or live sports, Hulu has something for everyone. So, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Sony TV home screen. The first step is to ensure that you're on the home screen of your Sony TV. You can do this by pressing the home button on your remote control. Step 2. Opening the Google Play Store. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store. This is where we'll find and download the Hulu app. Step 3. Searching for Hulu app. Once you're in the Google Play Store, use the search bar to type in Hulu. Step 4. Installing Hulu app. Click on the Hulu app icon, and then select Install to begin downloading the app to your Sony TV. Step 5. Launching Hulu app. After the installation is complete, select Open to launch the Hulu app on your Sony TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Hulu app on your Sony TV. Now you can enjoy all your favorite shows and movies right from the comfort of your living room. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.